Hello traders, welcome to this weekly outlook. We'll be looking at some major pairs this week and what we expect on this major pair. But before that, let's look at COT report on gold before coming back to this particular pair. On the COT report on this gold, we can see that for a very long time now, gold long from 2023, gold has been increasing long, that be increasing the long position gold and decreasing short position gold. So currently, if you look at it in terms of the highest contract, the buy side of the market, you can see the highest contract is almost 387,000 contract, right? The long side of the market. The short side, you can also see it right here. This generally means that gold is long term is bullish. So it's good long term bullish. The next thing we expect of price is this. This gold has been bullish for a long period of time. But last 2 weeks and last week, you can see how many orders they closed the sell side of the market. It's about almost 80,000 long position good. Last week, the same thing, about 20,000 position on good. So this shows that some buyers expected some retracement on good for the week. And for this week, which is the one that I released last week, right? This is the current price action. So they are yet to start adding buy position on gold. But overall, gold is bullish. So this is what gives us expectation gold. Also expect a buy position, but we expect some retracement gold before the buy expansion. So let's go back to the chart and discuss what we expect on gold. On gold here, we see how price has traded into this balance right here, but here to trade to this major structure range. This is an important zone for us to anticipate price give us retracement outside, at least to test this newly formed resistance level. So this is the first structure range we have on this weekly time frame. Daily time frame, what is my expectation? Expectation on gold is to have some retracement, maybe to trade into this imbalance, fill it, then bullish expansion to trade into this level before we see some movement into this range. This is my expectation on gold. All right, so let's look at other major currencies like DXY. DXY, we have seen that DXY have been bullish, and we have rated this former high for long now. So since we have rated this former high, what is the next thing that most people would expect, or as a trader, what is the next thing you should expect? Now we have gotten major break of structure to the upside. Since we have gotten this major break of structure, where is the next zone price we trade into? The next zone price we trade into is this long wick right here. This is our next resistance level we expect price to trade into. But before that, we look at bar chart, see what price is doing on bar chart in terms of USD. On the bar chart, they are yet to give us the confirmation. Though on my phone, I've already checked it. They added more buy position on bar chart. So since they are adding more buy position, that means the percentage on the long side or buying side is overshadowing the percentage on the short side. Since that is what we expect for this upcoming week, or for this week, that ended and this week we entered now, or let's say last week that ended and this week we entered now. So what we expect this dollar index, that we expect more buy side. But before the buy side, should have that understanding as a trader, what we do lower time frame. So what we do on lower time frame, two things. There are two major things that can happen in price. One is what it continue buying from here, hitting what higher highs and higher lows on lower time frame. Or we have what retracement maybe Monday and Tuesday before we have what low of the week forming. Then we expect what expansion the upside since they are still what buying dollar index. So this gave us what area of interest right here for us to expect what a buy on dollar index. So since you're expecting what a buy on dollar index, this will give you more areas to look for sell good. Like I marked this area last week, all right, on my Telegram channel, where I will expect a sell. But the whole market did not get to this area before it started selling. So since that is the current price view now, we can expect what retracement into either this void in a week right here, or into this what H4 structure range, which is this lower time frame. You see it right here as a H4 structure range right here. Market hasn't induced this to high right here, so market can trade into this structure range right here before we see lower prices. So our expectation is what that market form the what the low of the week, high of the week on Monday, or likely Tuesday slash Wednesday for us to what continue the bearish expansion for the week on this. So that is what I expect. The same thing right here. So I mark this area, but market is here to break this low. So the next expectation is this. We can see higher prices into this level before we see lower prices. And I also have another POI right here. So these are my two POIs I marked for the week and where I expect what is sell for the week when you come to what H4 time frame. So we have this area and this upper price level. So these are the two POIs. I'm waiting for price to give me what confirmation for us to sell. The same thing applicable to other major pairs. So right here, market has broken this low and sold from this resistance level right here from daily time frame. So after the sell from this level, market now what? We expect market what? Give us what? A retracement into this level before we continue looking for sell. So we have what? Daily break of structure right here and short-term H4 structure range right here. This is what I expect on these major pairs for this week. So do well to drop your view on my Telegram channel. And that's all for today. Good luck, good trading to you all. And I wish you a successful week.